Engine controls, the most important ones: digital temperature gauge, analog gauge, pressure in the transmission, and the most important, oil pressure, revs. To start the engine, make sure that we are on idle and not in a gear. We need to turn on the temperature gauge, which is down here. Showing 30 degrees in engine room. Engine alarm, that's a bell, and just press the start button and off it goes. Then the alarm should go off, turn off itself within 15-20 seconds as the pressure rises. And that's it. Off you go. Then you can start operating these controls. And to stop it, just press the stop button and it stops. You need to hold it for like a few seconds until it actually stops. And then the alarm will go off again and you just turn it off. And then you turn off the temperature switch.